AI has made it easier than ever to start earning online, especially through digital affiliate marketing. You no longer need technical skills, products of your own, or a large upfront investment. With the right tools and a simple process, you can begin building an income stream step by step. Step 1. Understand the opportunity. Digital affiliate marketing is where you promote other people's products and earn a commission when someone buys through your unique link. You don't need to. Create a product, handle delivery, manage customer service. Your role is simply to connect the right product with the right audience. Step 2. Use AI to simplify the process. AI tools can now do much of the heavy lifting for you. For example, ChatGPT can help you find product ideas in popular niches, write engaging social media posts, create email content. If you're looking for free alternatives available to everyone, you can also use Google Gemini, Microsoft Copilot. These tools can help you stay consistent and save hours of work. Step 3. Choose a product to promote. Start by selecting a digital product from affiliate platforms such as Digistore24, ClickBank, Copecart. Look for products that solve a real problem, offer strong commissions. Once chosen, you'll receive your unique affiliate link. Step 4. Create simple content with AI. Use AI to generate content that attracts and engages people. This could include short-form videos, Facebook or Instagram posts, simple emails. Your goal is not perfection, it's clarity and consistency. AI has removed many of the traditional barriers. What matters now is taking action, staying consistent, and learning as you go. Click the link below to learn more.